In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sequences in HubSpot. If you're new to sequences, think of them as a structured series of follow-ups that can send emails and create reminders automatically, helping you stay consistent without manual effort every day. This walkthrough keeps things simple while giving you the context you need to make smart choices as you set things up. Start by heading to the search bar at the top left of your HubSpot portal. Type the word sequences. This is the quickest way to jump straight to the tool without clicking through multiple menus. When the Sequences area opens, look for the option that says Create a Sequence and select it. This is your starting point for building the automation. Next, you'll choose your approach. You can create a dynamic sequence, start from scratch, or begin with a pre-made sequence. Dynamic sequences adapt based on how your contacts engage, so if someone replies or books a meeting, the sequence can adjust accordingly. Starting from scratch gives you total control to build each step your way. Pre-made sequences are great if you want a ready-to-use structure you can customize. They're especially helpful when you need something reliable fast. Once your base is selected, add the steps or edit the existing ones so the automation works the way you want. This is where you decide the flow, emails, follow-up timing, and any tasks you want to include for yourself, like a reminder to make a call. Keep your subject lines clear, your copy concise, and your calls to action easy to find. If you're using templates, personalize them with tokens like a first name or company name to keep messages human and relevant. Spacing matters too. Give your contacts breathing room by choosing reasonable delays between touches instead of clustering everything together. As you refine the steps, think about the goal of the sequence. Are you driving a meeting, a reply, or a content download? Make sure each step nudges in that direction. You can also tailor the tone for your audience. Friendly and helpful usually wins over overly formal language. If you're pulling in links or assets, double-check that they're current and working. And remember, deliverability best practices. Send to opted-in contacts and avoid overly salesy language in the first touch. That's all you need to create sequences in HubSpot. Search for sequences, click Create a Sequence, choose your build method, and then add or edit the steps so the automation runs smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy building.